Today, we're inside a packed courtroom in Texas, and what starts as a routine probation check quickly turns into a life-altering moment. A young woman stands before the judge already on thin ice. Unpaid fines, no job, possible drug use, and within seconds, the judge realizes this isn't just a violation. It's a breaking point. The defendant is serving probation for a serious drug-related offense under Texas law. Probation isn't just freedom, it's a contract. Follow the rules or lose everything. But today, the court is facing multiple violations, over $3,000 in unpaid restitution. No employment for over 2 years living off her son's disability income. And possible relapse into substance use. This isn't minor. This is the kind of situation that can send someone straight to prison. The judge doesn't waste time. He leans forward and asks a simple question. Why aren't you paying what you owe? Her answer: she has no job, no income. She's been relying entirely on her son's SSI checks. And that's where everything changes. Because in this courtroom, excuses don't carry weight. Responsibility does. The judge makes it clear. You cannot live off your child. That ends today. It's not just legal, it's moral. He points out something many avoid saying out loud. Sometimes the biggest barrier isn't opportunity, it's pride. There are jobs available, but not everyone is willing to take them. Now the courtroom gets tense. The judge asks about her background. She went to trade school, had opportunities, but didn't follow through. And now she's stuck. That's when the judge issues a direct order. You will find employment within 30 days. No exceptions. No delays. But that's not all. The judge adds strict conditions. No working as a caregiver, no working with minors immediate. Drug testing, full compliance with probation. These aren't random rules. They're targeted restrictions designed to prevent risk. Because the court isn't just watching her actions, it's watching her environment. Then comes the moment no one expected. The defendant admits something shocking. Her boyfriend has been giving her drugs while she's on probation. Facing up to 20 years in prison, the courtroom goes silent, and the judge responds instantly. He is not your friend. The judge doesn't hesitate. He issues a no-contact order, effective immediately. No calls. No messages. No second chances. And then he says something powerful. If someone helps you destroy your life, they don't love you. That hits harder than any legal ruling. But here's where the story shifts. Instead of sending her to jail, the judge offers something rare, a path to recovery. He asks her directly, do you need help? And for the first time, she's honest. The judge builds a structured plan. Intensive outpatient treatment, weekly 12-step meetings. Random drug testing, payment plan for fines. Referral to felony drug court. This isn't punishment. It's accountability. With support, a system designed to rebuild, not just penalize. As the hearing ends, the judge leaves her with one final warning. The people around you will either save you or destroy you. Today, she walked out of court with freedom, but also with responsibility. Because the next time she stands here, There may not be another chance. Asterisk.
Mother. That's going to stop. You understand? So this is what I want for her. She's going to have employment, and you're going to get employment within 30 days. You understand? So, and if you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be? And you're getting drug tested today, so tell me the truth. I'm sorry, what? All right, we're going to give her a drug test today, and we're going to alternate amend conditions. I'm going to want employment.
Yes, ma'am.
Within 30 days.
Mhm.
And there's to be no employment as a home healthcare provider or with minors. And if the previous judge didn't say it, I'm letting you know, you're not allowed to have an employment as a home healthcare provider. So if you are getting an extra check for taking care of your son, that needs to stop. You understand?
I want you to pay attention to the very specific occupational restrictions in the judge's decision. There's no working as a home healthcare provider and no working with minors. If you think